Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy feature to understand because sometimes Outlook can get stuck in offline mode, preventing you from sending or receiving new emails. Let's walk through how to toggle this mode and get you back online. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential because you need to be inside your Outlook workspace to access the tools we'll be using. Once your account loads and your emails appear, you're ready to move forward. Once your email has loaded, we'll access the Send/Receive menu. This menu is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are organized. Click on Send Receive and you'll see additional options appear. This is where Outlook keeps all the controls related to syncing your mailbox and managing your connection status. Now here's where we'll demonstrate the full process. First, we'll toggle the work offline mode on so you can see exactly how it works, and then we'll turn it off. From the options that appeared, click on the work offline icon. You'll notice that the working offline status shows at the bottom part of your screen. This confirms that Outlook is no longer trying to sync with the server. Now to turn it off, simply toggle the icon again by clicking on work offline once more. However, it will not connect online right away. If you wish not to restart your Outlook program, the best way to turn it off and force a reconnection is by clicking on the Send/Receive All Folders icon. This tells Outlook to immediately start syncing your mailboxes with the internet again. You'll see a progress bar appear that synchronizes your mailboxes to the internet. This may take a few moments depending on how many emails you have and your connection speed. Once the sync has finished, you'll notice that the status at the bottom part of your screen has changed to Now Connected. This confirms that Outlook is back online and actively sending and receiving emails. And that's it. You've successfully turned off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook and reconnected to your email server. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.